Kia ora te whānau and welcome to Toi Time. Do you hear that? Whoa! It's the trumpets. Are you ready to dance? Then come on, waka tātou. It's Toi Time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're up to Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time!
Kia ora te whānau. Welcome to Toi Time. Ko Jojo aho, and this is my friend Maya. Kia ora. Jojo and I are looking at the Marama, the moon. Te tāhua hoki. It's so beautiful and shiny and bright up in the sky. I've had the best idea, Maya. Let's go to the moon. Oh, yes. But there's one problem, Jojo. The moon is all the way up there in the sky, and we're down here on Papatuanuku. How would we get there? Easy. We could bounce really high on the neighbour's trampoline and jump over the moon like the cows do. Oh, cows jump over the moon? Yeah, like the nursery rhyme. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumps over the moon. See? Oh, yes. I've been practicing and I'm pretty good. We can hold hands if you get scared. Okay, this sounds like fun, but I'm not sure we'd get high enough to reach the moon. Even you, Jojo. Hey, Mōhio.
Tēnā koe, Maya. How can I help you today?
Jojo and I want to go to the moon, please. How do we get there?
Astronauts travel to the moon in a spacecraft, which gets launched into space on a rocket.
A rocket? Ka mau te wihi. That sounds super fast. I like fast.
Ready for blast off and 5,
Rima,
4,
ba,
3,
toru,
2,
rua,
1.
tahi,
Blast We're going to the moon, way up in the sky. We'll take a rocket ship and explore all of the sights. We're wearing our space suits cause there's no atmosphere. We're going to the moon, we're going to the moon. Marama, the moon, pulls the ocean as it goes. Makes the tide go high and it makes the tide go low. When the sun goes down and the day is turned to night, the moon comes out to play and it lights up the sky. The full moon rising up so bright, a beacon in the darkest night. We're going to the moon, way up in the sky. We'll take a rocket ship and explore all of the sights. We're wearing our space suits cause there's no atmosphere. We're going to the moon, we're going to the moon. Every single year, the earth goes round the sun, the moon goes round the earth. Every single month, the gravity's so low when you're standing on the moon that you can jump real high. Sounds like something fun to do. The full moon rising up so bright, a beacon in the darkest night. We're going to the moon, way up in the sky. We'll take a rocket ship and explore all of the sights. We're wearing our space suits cause there's no atmosphere. We're going to the moon, we're going to the moon. sweet ride, Jojo.
Thanks. It's a moon buggy. Astronauts use them to drive around on the moon. Wow. Well, do you need any help finishing it? Yes, please. What time is it on? Toy time, it must be Mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Beep, 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 boop, boop, blip. Doot, doot. Who's coming to explore the moon? We are.
Whoa, Jojo, you're a hoon.
Aye, a moon hoon. Jojo, do you think you could please slow down just a little bit?
Yeah.
We're going so fast I can't see anything. Sorry, Maya. I got a bit excited. Ooh, Titiro, the moon has holes in it.
That's because it's made of cheese.
Wait, the moon is made of cheese?
Aye. That's why I brought bread to make sandwiches.
Oh, goodbye. I love cheese sandwiches. Oh, maybe we could have a picnic on Marama.
Marama? Where's that?
The moon, Ricky.
Oh, thanks, Maya.
This looks like a good picnic spot.
Moon sandwiches. Here we come.
Where exactly is the cheese part of the moon?
Oh, that's a silly question, Jojo, because it's... Must be around here somewhere.
Are you sure the moon is made of cheese, Ricky?
Yes. Well, no. Hey, Mohill,
Kia ora, Riki. How can I help today?
is the moon made of cheese?
No, the moon is not made of cheese. That's from an old fairy tale about a fox and a wolf. The moon is made of rock.
Oh. Sorry, Maya. Sorry, Jojo.
That's okay. Oh, there's plenty of cheese back at the Toi Time whare, though. Let's go. My puku is hungry.
Me too. Back to Earth. Thanks, Mohill.
Ka pai, Riki. Anytime.
Kia ora, my cuzzies. You already know what it is. Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm learning all about Te Marama, the moon. Check it out. Hey, it's my uncle. Check it out! It's Te Maramataka. Maramataka is the Māori lunar calendar. Maramataka means the cycle of the moon. Ko marama, ko te marama tonu, ko te taka, te huringa. Nō reira, ko te maramataka, te huringa o te marama. Check it out, these are the different cycles of the moon. You have whiro, tamatea, rākau nui, and tangaro. The cycles help us to know when's the best time to hunt, fish, and to plant and harvest crops. Pretty cool, huh? Come on. Check it out, my cuzzies. It's the universe! Wow! I wonder how many moons are in the universe. Probably billions, on billions, on billions. Check it out! It's Aotearoa. Oh, and this is Te Ao. I think I'm gonna see if I can hold it up. Still got it. Look, it's my favorite star in the whole universe. Tamanui te rā. Ooh. Cousins, these are all the different planets in our solar system. Cool, eh? Follow me. Look, this is my view from the International Space Station. There's Aotearoa. Oh, that's it. I've decided I'm going to be an astronaut. I'll catch you next time, cuzzies. Ka kite. Hey, I wonder how you go to the wharepaku in outer space.
I can see the stars at night. Where do they go in the daytime? How is it they shine so bright? But in the morning when I look outside, where did they hide? I bet that I could find them if I had. There walk on to Arangi. Spaceship take me to the stars. There walk on to Arangi. Visit every planet, moon and star. Where is it you'd like to go? Mercury or Mars or Venus? We could visit Rona too. See Papa to Anuku down below. Come on, let's go. I bet that we could find them if we had. There walk on to Arangi. Spaceship take me to the stars. There walk on to Arangi. Flying high and flying far. There walk on to Arangi. Spaceship take me to the stars. There walk on to Arangi. Visit every planet, moon and star.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Moon.
Moon. Moon who?
Moon who, moon who. Do, 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 do.
Moon who, moon who?
Do, 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 do.
Moon who, moon who?
Do, 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 do.
Kia ora, Buzz.
What are you drawing, Maya?
Oh, I am painting a moonbow.
Huh?
Let me just put the finishing touches on.
Oh.
Done.
What's a moonbow?
Well, sometimes when the moon is really bright, you can see rainbow colours around it. See? It's a moonbow.
How beautiful.
Oh, would you like to draw one?
Oh, well, actually, I'm here for Takaro time. But if you'd rather be drawing a moonbow or...
Takaro time, yes! Race you to the garden.
Okay, then.
Oh,
Time! Whoa, you're fast.
you're fast too.
That's why we're friends, eh?
And because you're heaps of fun, Buzz the Cuz.
Aw, thanks.
So, are we playing rugby today? These look like rugby posts, but there's no ball to play with.
It's not rugby, Maya. Today's Takaro time is limbo. We take turns leaning back and dancing under the limbo stick. Like this.
Okay. So far, so good. So, what's the catch?
Oh, well. Each time the limbo stick gets lower and lower and lower. If you fall or touch the stick or touch the ground with anything but your feet, you're out. Okay?
Okay.
Let's lower it down. Yeah, a little bit more. And, yeah, maybe about there. Yeah, cool. All right. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay, my turn. And lean back. Oh, and dance.
Okay.
Let's go, Maya. Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa.
You made it.
That was a bit harder now that the limbo stick is lower. Let's go again, Buzz.
Okay.
This is fun.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. We're at the maximum level now. Okay. Oh. Yeah. And
Hey, Buzz the Cuz.
Yeah.
I don't think I can go that low, so you win. What a fun game. Oh, hey, what did the moon say when it won the limbo competition?
Oh, what?
Nothing. The moon can't play limbo.
All talk.
Again. 2 times 2 is 4. I'm a genius. Oh, kia ora, my little geniuses. I'm Auntie Anika, and these are my smarty pants. Woo! Have you noticed that the moon changes shape from round to crescent shape and then back again? Well, I'm going to teach you how. Ta-da! This is the sun, Tamanui te rā, lighting up our sky with beautiful light. Oh, beautiful. And this is Earth, Papatuanuku, where we live. Kia ora, tini tani Anika. Cool. Now, the moon doesn't actually change shape, it just looks like it does depending on what part of the moon we can see. This is Rākau Nui, full moon. Cool. Now, these are half moons. Woohoo! Cheer. And this is Whero, a new moon. Nothing to see here, because it's... Ta-da! And these are called crescent moons. Boom. Boom. Ta-da! And these are the phases of the moon. We are geniuses. 1 + 1 is 2.
Whoa. Yeah. This is moon base to Earth. Do you copy?
Moon base, this is Earth. You're coming in loud and clear.
Hey, wait a minute, Wolfie. I thought I was the astronaut walking on the moon.
Yeah, you are.
But then why are you walking like you're on the moon too?
I thought all astronauts walk like this.
Oh no, only the astronauts on the moon do because there's no gravity up there.
Oh. Earth to moon base, this is Wolfie. Counting down to blast off in Lima, Wha, Toru, Rua, Tahi, blast off!
Great to see you on the moon, Wolfie.
Lovely day for a walk.
Oh, isn't it?
Whoa, we're going to space today. Do you want to come with us? Yay! Can you whistle in space? Woo-hoo. Can you whistle in space? If I went to space, then I would whistle. Can you giggle in space? Can you giggle in space? If I went to space, then I would giggle. Can you clap in space? Can you clap in space? If I went to space, then I would clap. Can you sleep in space? Can you sleep in space? If I went to space, then I would sleep. Well, if I went to space,
space, then I would whistle, 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 whistle. Well, if I went to space, then I would giggle. Well, if I went to space, then I would clap. Well, if I went to space, then I would sleep. Nice.
Today we're learning about the moon, the Marama. It has big holes in it. They're called craters. The craters are made by big rocks. They crash into the moon. They're called meteorites and asteroids. We have a big plate of flour. We're pretending it's a moon.
So how to make a crater, you can get anything that's round and just put flour in a bowl and then drop it in and then wait for a few seconds and then take it out. And then there'll be a hole in it.
Some make small craters.
Whoa! A marble is like a meteor.
Some make big craters.
Big. And
Some make a mess.
That was so big.
We did a great job making craters. Our Marama looks awesome.
It's time for What's in the Box, the Moon Edition. Does that mean there's something in there to do with the moon, Maya? Oh, aye. Is it a rocket? Oh, please, please let it be a rocket. I've always wanted a rocket. I wish it was a rocket, Jojo, for you, but don't you think the box is a little small for a rocket? True. Okay, I'm ready to find out. Ooh. Small, hard. Oh, feels a bit crumbly. Like crumbly rocks. Are they moon rocks? Yes. These are beautiful and they're all sparkly. I can't believe I'm holding actual rocks from the moon. Oh, Jojo, they're not actually from the moon. I made them myself out of baking soda. They're called moon rocks because they're sparkly and look what they can do. Oh. Okay. Yep. When you pour vinegar over the moon rocks, it reacts with the baking soda and it fizzes. Wow, can I have a turn? Of course. These moon rocks are really fun. I'm over the moon that you think so, Jojo. I like what you did there, Maya. Your jokes are out of this world. Ooh, nice.
Hi.
Today we are on the beach. I will go with my dad and my friend. I'm going to make a moon with my friend. First we draw a big circle. We put footprints on the moon. We make critters of rocks. Rocks are like meteors. We make critters with sticks. We make a face. There's a man in the moon. I love our moon. Our moon is great. Bye.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, Mohill told me what you are. Up above the world so high, you're a ball of gas in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, you burn so brightly from afar. You're right about cheese sandwiches, Ricky. They are delicious.
Lucky for us, planet Earth delivers to the moon. Hey!
I mean, moo.
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about Divali. In the vibrant town of Kirikiriroa, the Singh family was busy getting their home ready for Divali, the festival of lights. Divali is a time to bring light and joy into our lives, said Dad with a smile. So the Singh family began the Divali adventure. Mum handed out brooms, and together they cleaned every nook and cranny of their home. Once the house was sparkling clean, they started decorating. Out came diyas, marigolds, and rangoli powder. Arya and Rohan were very excited as they dipped their fingers into the vibrant powders and created pretty rangoli patterns on the doorstep. Dad hung the fairy lights, Mum and Arya arranged the marigolds, and Rohan carefully placed diyas in every corner. As the sun set, Mum lit the lamps and the room filled with a soft golden glow. Diyas represent the triumph of light over darkness, Mum explained. Arya and Rohan couldn't wait for the fireworks. But in that peaceful moment, they understood that Divali was not just about the fireworks. It was about sharing warmth and joy with family and friends. Kua oti, the end.
Hi, Edera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Tofa soy fwa, eno